Welcome to All About Research, the go-to podcast for busy teachers delivering NCFE Level 1 to Technical Awards. Hosted by myself, Rachel.
And Beth. We're both experienced provider development officers here at NCFE,
Each bite-sized episode is packed with practical insights, top tips, and expert guidance on all things research.
helping you make the most of your research. Hi everyone, and welcome to Fit to Teach. I'm Beth.
And I'm Rachel, and today we're going to be unpacking the key findings from the Chief Examiner and Moderator's report for the NCFE Level 1-2 Technical Award in Health and Fitness. So if you're teaching this qualifications, we've got some practical insights to help you support your learners.
So let's start with the basics. The qualification is linear, and learners must take both the exam and the non-exam assessment in the same series. There's only one chance, no resits, so getting it right first time really matters.
Absolutely. And the report shows that learners are engaging well overall. There's been a noticeable improvement in the exam performance, especially in the multi-choice questions and applying content in context.
That's great to hear, but there's still some areas that need attention, like autonomy and physiology, especially energy systems and muscle contractions. These continue to be challenging for learners.
Yes, and the extended response questions were another area where learners struggled. Some didn't apply enough examples of the missed key part of the question. So encourage your learners to read carefully and structure their answers can really help them here.
So now let's talk about the non-exam assessment. There's 7 tasks and most learners completed them well. In practical elements like fitness testing and session planning were strong, especially in AO4.
Definitely. But evaluation tasks, the AO5 were more mixed. Learners often lack depth in the analysis. For example, when comparing fitness test results to normative data, some missed opportunities to suggest realistic improvements.
And in task 1, learners demonstrated fitness tests well, but evaluations were sometimes vague, encouraging learners to consider environmental factors or individual client needs can really strengthen their responses.
And in task 2, learners used tools like the PARQs and food diaries, but some just copied responses instead of analysing them. We need to help learners understand how to interpret data and apply it to the training plans.
And task 3, goal setting, was generally well done. Smart targets were mostly appropriate, but linking them back to early assessments could be improved.
Exactly, and in task 4, training and diet plans were solid, but again, the explanations often lacked the detail. Learners should be encouraged to tailor the comments to their clients' needs and reference earlier tasks.
And task 5, delivering sessions, was a highlight. Learners showed strong practical skills, but in their logs, some focused too much on the client's behaviour rather than their own performance as a trainee instructor.
That's a great point. And in task 6, um, the retesting was well done, but evaluations need to link back to the SMART targets and earlier assessments to show the progress clearly.
And let's quickly touch on grade boundaries. For example, a level 2 distinction star starts at 173 out of 200. These are just for guidance, but they help us understand where learners are aiming. And remember, grade boundaries change every year.
And don't forget, both the exam and the non-exam assessment must follow NCFE regulations. That includes proper invigilation and just making sure your learners have the resources they need.
So what's the key takeaways for teachers?
So support your learners with applying the knowledge, encourage deeper evaluation, and help them understand the full health and fitness process from testing to training to reflection. And of course, you just stay on top of your admin as well.
Thanks for listening. And if you found this episode helpful, please share with your colleagues and subscribe for more insights.
And if there's a topic you would like us to cover next time, just let us know. And until then, just keep inspiring those future fitness professionals.
Bye.
Bye bye. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to follow, share, or leave a review.
Until next time, be prepared
And know we're here for you.
and stay connected.